My name is Valentin Gospodinov. At the moment we're 1 hour away from Sofia, pretty close to town Dupnica. The location where we are at the moment is the PV site Veriua, which is pretty close to village Krainici. At the moment Senutech have in Bulgaria 7 active projects in current construction phase. This one here is the biggest of them, 124 megawatt peak. This project is very challenging because of the ground conditions. This is the first. The topography is very challenging. From the lowest to the top point of the project, we can see a difference around 250 meters.